This is how you can find the meaning of a word in Google Docs. First, just select the text that you want to find the meaning. For example, I'm going to select this website word, and then right click on it, click define, and then you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift and Y or Command Shift and Y on Mac. And this will open a sidebar that allows you to see the meaning or even an example of that word in the dictionary. But of course, this dictionary is not going to be absolutely perfect because there are some words or some gibberish words that have no meaning. For example, lorem ipsum is pretty much just a placeholder text that has no meaning. And if you try to define it, it's not going to return you anything. It's going to just give you empty result or there's no info about that. Yeah, the dictionary doesn't found the definition of that word. So regardless of that, I think this is a very useful feature to help you navigate through your document without having to leave Google Docs. I hope that helps.